Good morning students. Whatever say in the previous class ma? In the previous class we had discussed about the pressure, the term of pressure and definition of pressure and an unit of pressure and pressure in solids and pressure in liquids and pressure in gases, and then what are the factors that may affect the pressure and some examples and how to calculate the pressure. It will be due to the liquid column. So okay, and some 2 example problems also, that all are discussed in the previous session. In the today's session, I explained that atmospheric pressure and Pascal's law. Okay, atmospheric pressure and Pascal's law. What does it mean by first atmosphere? The one surface, it will be surrounded around the earth. Earth ku mela 300 kilometer surface will be around the earth. It will be called as atmosphere. Some pressure exerted by these atmosphere, it will be called as atmospheric pressure. Okay. So atmosphere is some air, it will be surrounding around the earth, it will be called as atmospheric pressure. Atmosphere, that pressure it will be exerted by the atmosphere, it will be called as atmospheric pressure. Okay. So the atmospheric pressure, it will be different from high altitude and the level of sea level, at the level of sea. So some the pressure it will be high in the sea level and the low in the high altitude mountains. Okay. So some mountains having the less pressure comparable to the sea level. So the mountain trip members and then sea level sea divers or scuba divers, it will be used the special equipments to know the pressure increasing or decreasing. Okay. So the pressure it will be varied due to the high altitude and then sea level. Okay. And then now I explain the barometer. Barometer it will be used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay. So what is the apparatus in the barometer? So one plastic bowl having some mercury. Okay. So the plastic bowl having some mercury and one glass tube closed at one end, and another one it will be immersed in the mercury liquid column. Okay, mercury liquid column, and one line is there in between the glass tube. Okay, so atmospheric pressure is push the mercury column. The mercury column, mercury will be rushed into the center part of the glass tube. Okay, the mercury level it will be indicate the atmospheric value. Okay, so the one plastic container is filled with the mercury, halfly filled with the mercury. One glass tube, like one end it will be closed and another one end it will be open. The open end it will be immersed into the liquid column, mercury column. The atmospheric pressure is pushed down to the mercury. The mercury will be rushed into the center part of the glass tube. The glass tube level it will be denote the atmospheric value. Okay, atmospheric value. So this is the way easily find out the atmospheric value by using the mercury liquid column. Okay. So this is the barometer. Barometer will be calculate the atmospheric pressure surrounding on the earth. Okay. So how to calculate the pressure on the liquid column first? The pressure on the liquid column P is equal to H rho G. Substitute the H value, substitute the rho value, substitute the G value. H value is the height of the liquid column. Normally pressure find out liquid column will be taken as a 76 millimeter. Mercury, normally pressure it will be calculated by using the mercury liquid column. The mercury will be filled in the tube in the level of 76 millimeter. So 76 millimeter, 76 centimeter of mercury. Centimeter it will be converted into meter in 10 power minus, not a millimeter, 76 centimeter. 76 centimeter it will be converted into meter, 760 into 10 power minus 3. Centimeter, meter convert panning about, okay, 760 into 10 power minus 3. And density of the mercury is 13,600 and gravity, acceleration due to gravity value is 9.8. Multiplying the 3 values we will get 1.013 in 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay. So 1.03, 101.3 into 10 power 3 Pascal, it will be convert, and kilo 10 power 3 is kilo, so 101.3 kilo Pascal. Okay. So the pressure it will be denoted as the another one term, that is bar. 1 bar is equal to 1 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay, that is the another one unit, that the value it will be 1 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Clear that? Then now I will go for Koch pressure and absolute pressure. What is the meaning that Koch pressure? Koch pressure is nothing but the pressure will be given by one instrument. Koch pressure means is the denoted term, it will be different, it will be calculated different from the atmospheric pressure. One pressure value, it will be different from the atmospheric value, it will be measured by one instrument, that is called Koches. That the Koches will be giving the pressure, it will be called as Koch pressure. Koch pressure is moreover, it will be find out from the tire and then blood pressure. So Koch pressure, the pressure it will be measured in the tire and the blood, it will be measured by the instrument that is called Koch pressure. Okay, so Koch pressure and absolute pressure means, absolute pressure will be the difference between the atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure. Okay, suppose the pressure it will be higher than the atmospheric pressure at the sea level, the pressure will be higher from the atmospheric pressure. So the absolute pressure it will be equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure, and pressure it will be decreases then the atmospheric pressure, it will be lower than that the atmospheric pressure. Absolute pressure it will be equal to atmospheric pressure minus gauge pressure. Scuba divers it will be uses special equipments to move on to the sea level, because at the sea level the atmospheric pressure it will be very low comparable to the gauge pressure. So absolute pressure it will be equal to absolute pressure it will be equal to atmospheric pressure minus gauge pressure. Gauge pressure, absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure மூணுக்கு என்ன difference அப்படினா, atmospheric pressure, the pressure will be exerted by the atmosphere. Okay, gauge pressure means some equipments, some phenomena will be create a different pressure than the atmospheric pressure, that's will be called as gauge pressure. Difference between the atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure will be called as absolute pressure. Okay, so that is all are the formulas for gauge pressure and absolute pressure. Now I will explain that Pascal's law. Pascal's law is nothing but pressure in the liquid, it will be transmitted in all the points in the liquids. ஒரு liquidல pressure நீங்க apply பண்றீங்கன்னா, it will be transmitted throughout the liquid medium in all direction. எல்லா directionலயும் transmit ஆகுற பேர் தான் Pascal's law. Okay, so Pascal's law, I will give one example for that, explain the Pascal's law. Taking one ball, the ball will be having liquid and the ball are having holes on all the sides. You have to fuse the ball, the water will be rushed out at all the points. Okay, எல்லா பாயிண்ட்ஸ்லையும் water வந்து rush ஆகும், அதுக்கு பேர் தான் Pascal's law. So Pascal's law it will be transmitted in all directions. Okay, and then one example for Pascal's law is hydraulic brush. Hydraulic press la the one vehicle it will be lift on to the one side, that the press that will be having the two one container having the area of cross section is smaller than the second one. So the first tube will be having the area of cross section A1, second tube will be having the area of cross section is A2. So the A1 and A2, the water will be is there and two piston it will be fixed at the two sides, and one vehicle will be stand on the one side. We easily find out the weight of the vehicle to the other one side, that is called hydraulic press. And some liquid is there, the vehicle inga vachone it will be giving the force on the piston it will be moving, the water it will be rushed to the another one side, the piston will be moving to the another one side. How to calculate the force on the force it will be applied by any one object will be keep upon the one side. Okay, so we have to consider A2 by A1 it will be greater than 1. What's the meaning that A1 is greater than A2 is greater than A1. A1 area vida A2 perusu thana, so A2 it will be greater than A1. We have to consider that. Okay, and then two piston will be it is really located at the two sides, and then we easily find out pressure at the area of A2 and pressure at the area of A1. So how to calculate the pressure? P1 is equal to F1 by A1, pressure P2 is equal to F2 by A2. Okay, we have to compare the two forces. F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. Two pressure நீங்கள் equal பண்ணிங்கன்னா according to the Pascal's law, pressure will be transmitted in all directions. Pressure in all the points in the liquid it will be same. So pressure P1 is equal to P2 ன்னு எடுத்தீங்கன்னா that it will be equal to F1 by A1 is equal to F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. Okay. Then we want to F2, we want to the second force F2 F1 by A1 into A2. This is the way easily find out the force it will be acting on the hydraulic press. Hydraulic pressல ரெண்டு ஆர்ம் இருக்கும். நீங்கள் ஏதாவது ஒரு வெஹிக்கிளோடைய வெயிட்டை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணால் அந்த வெஹிக்கிள் அங்கே வச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா vehicle it will be giving the force on the piston it will be moving down, the water it will be increases in the another one side of the liquid container and the piston it will be moving to the outside. So this is the way you easily find out the force it will be exerted by the object on the piston. Okay, hydraulic press it will be used in the automobiles. Easily find out the weight of the vehicles. Okay, and then in the today's session I explained that what is atmospheric pressure, and atmospheric pressure means what is atmosphere, what is atmospheric pressure. Okay, and then atmospheric pressure at the high altitude it will be low and the sea level it will be high, and barometer will be used to explain the atmospheric pressure. The barometers are having the one plastic container, the container is filled with the mercury. Mercury level it will be found out in the downside glass tube. The pointer it will be specified the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure will be rushed to the liquid column, mercury column. The mercury column it will be rushed up into the glass tube. The glass tube it will be indicate the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so how to calculate the pressure in the liquid container? The pressure is equal to H rho G, substitute the H value, substitute the rho value, substitute the G value. H it will be mentioned the height of the mercury level. So 76 centimeter, so 76 it will be converted into meter, 760 into 10 power minus 3, and density is 13,600 and gravity is 9.8. You have to multiply all the values. 101.3 into 10 power 3 Pascal, 101.3 kilopascal, and Pascal it will be mentioned in terms of another one, that is a bar. 1 bar is equal to 1 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay, that is the atmospheric value in terms of bar. Okay, and then gauge pressure and absolute pressure. Gauge pressure is nothing but some instrument it will be used to find out the pressure in the various phenomena or various process, and tires and plug pressure will be measured by instrument, that is gauge pressure, and gauge pressure will be different from the atmospheric pressure. So the absolute pressure it will be mentioned, it will be indicate the difference between the gauge pressure and atmospheric pressure. Suppose the pressure it will be increasing than the atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure it will be equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure, and pressure will be lower than that of the atmospheric pressure, absolute pressure it will be equal to atmospheric pressure minus gauge pressure. So scuba divers it will be used to use some special equipments to going to the sea level, because the sea level atmospheric pressure will be high. Okay, and the Pascal's law means the pressure it will be acting on a liquid, it will be transmitted in all directions in the liquid. Okay, and then pressure Pascal's law having some example, and one is hydraulic press. Hydraulic press having the two area cross section in the container, one area having the huge size comparable to the first one. So A2 it will be greater than A1. So find out the two pressure in the two sides of the container. So pressure P1 is equal to F1 by A1, pressure P2 is equal to F2 by A2. So easily find out pressure P1 is equal to P2. So according to the Pascal's law, pressure will be transmitted in all direction, it will be same. So P1 is equal to P2. Say F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2 is equal to F2 is equal to F1 by A1 into A2. So easily find out the force value by using the hydraulic press. Okay. So now I explain that example problem 4. Okay. What is example problem 4? Example problem first 3 and 4. Okay. A barometer, a mercury barometer in physics laboratory shows a 732 millimeter vertical column of mercury. Okay. Barometer in the physics laboratory, 732 millimeter vertical column of mercury. Or one container having 732 millimeter level of mercury. Okay. Calculate the atmospheric pressure in Pascal. Calculate the atmospheric pressure in Pascal. Okay. Mercury density is 1.36 in 10 power 4 or 13,600. So, how to calculate ma? The pressure formula is P is equal to H rho G. So, what is the level of mercury? It will be filled in the physics laboratory, that is 732 millimeter. So, 732 millimeter means 10 power minus 3 millimeter, and density of mercury is 13,600. Okay. And gravity is 9.8 or 10. Okay. So, multiply all the values. So, multiply all the values is 9.76 into 10 power 4 Pascal. Okay. So, 9.76 into 10 power 4 Pascal, otherwise you have to mention is the 0.976 in 10 power 5 Pascals. Simply the pressure value, height value will be given, and density value you have to know, and acceleration due to value you have to know. Substitute the density and height and acceleration due to gravity, easily find out the pressure value, that is 9.76 in 10 power 4 Pascal. We have to convert it into 10 power 5 in terms in the format. So, 0.976 in 10 power 5 Pascal. Okay. And another one problem, that is problem number 4. A hydraulic system is used to lift a 2000 kilogram vehicle in an auto garage. If the vehicle sits on the piston of area 0.5 meter square, forces will be applied to a piston, one hydraulic press. Okay. Two sides area value it will be given, and one weight it will be given. We want to find out another one force. Weight it will be equal to the force. So, one force it will be given, another one force we want to find out. So, first what are the given values? So, you have to mention. What are the given values, ma? That is A1 is equal to P1, according to the Pascal's law, P1 is equal to P2. Pressure in first piston will be equal to pressure in second piston. So, first we want to find out piston P1 is equal to P2. So, F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. So, we want F2. So, F2 is equal to F1 by A1 into A2, already I told. So, we want to the value of A1, A2, F1. Already the problem it will be given. What is the A1 value? So, that is the area of cross section of first one, that is 0.5 meter square, 0.5 meter square, and second one is A2 is equal to, that is 0.03 meter square. Two value it will be given, area of cross section value it will be given. Force F1 is equal to mass value only it will be given. So, force is normally force is it will be calculated by m into g. Mass value is 2000. Okay, 2000 into 9.8 or 10 போட்டுக்கோங்க. So, 2000 into 10, 20,000. Okay, 20,000 Newton meter per minus Newton. That is the force value. Substitute all the values in this problem. F1 value is 20,000. A1 is 0.5 and A2 is 0.03. Substitute all the values. 20,000 by A1 is 0.5 into A2 is 0.03. So, we multiply and divide all the terms, we get 1176 Newton. So, easily find out. First hydraulic press கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. A1 first container area of cross section கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, second container area of cross section கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, and one mass value it will be given. So, the mass value, by using the mass value easily find out the force value. M into G, M is mass value and G is acceleration due to gravity. 9.8 or 10 you have to put, and 20,000 Newton, and according to the Pascal's law, pressure P1 is equal to P2. So, F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. The pressure formula is force by area. So, F2 is equal to F1 by A1 into A2. So, substitute all the values, is easily find out the F2 value 1176 Newton. Clear that, ma? So, okay. So in the today's session I explained atmospheric pressure and example for atmospheric pressure, barometer and Koch pressure and absolute pressure and Pascal's law and some example 3 and 4. Okay. So today home assignment is, copy the third and fourth example problem first. Home assignment. First one, learn and write the Pascal's law. Learn and write the Pascal's law and copy the example problems. Copy the example problems. Copy the example problems 3 and 4. Okay. So learn and write the Pascal's law and second one, copy the example problems 3 and 4. Okay. Thank you.